Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Effie, and today I have a job lead that you should be working from home, and you'll be working as a virtual e-commerce assistant. So guys, in this job, your responsibilities will include but not limited to using photo editing tools such as Bitmonkey and Canva. You'll be responding to customer inquiries via email and social media. You will have full management of social media tasks, including creation and scheduling of posts. You will be generating bi-weekly email marketing campaigns and improving the existing welcome email flow using Klaviyo. You'll also be assisting the owner in developing SOPs, training material for future staff onboarding, and you will also fulfill any other tasks or any other roles as directed by your line manager. So guys, this job will be available to you at $6 per hour. And so if you've been looking for this, and so if you've been looking for such jobs, this is the right job that you should try out, being a virtual e-commerce assistant. This job has just been posted like 5 hours ago, and it only requires you to have basic skills in Canva, Shopify administration, photo editing, and customer service. Also guys, I have other videos talking about freelance websites where you can start as being a freelancer in working. Guys, I also have other videos where you can learn more about working from home and where you can get job leads in the best freelance website. Also, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and put on the notification bell button so that whenever I upload a new video on job leads, so that you can be working from home, you'll be the first person to access that opportunity and apply so that you can be able to gain that job. Please guys, apply, and don't let this chance pass you. Bye and good luck.